when my dad brought me a Lego. Here, first, get, you see, 4 wheels and get 4 wheels like this. Take 1 wheel on top. Put it here. Okay? Now the other, you do not put it like this. You do not put it like this. You need to put it like this. Okay? You see? All the wheels look like that. Not look like this. Okay? Here. I put in 3 wheels already. And this one is the last. Here. Okay? Put it in. Now it looks like this. Okay? But we didn't finish. First, get this. Put it here. Okay? Here. Now, easy. Here. Here. Okay? We put it here. Okay? This one did it. And then get this one. Put it right here. See? See? And then get this one. And put here. Here, okay? Get this little red thing like this. But it's red. Okay? Put it here. Okay? Put it here. Okay? Now it looks like this. We didn't finish. Now, here's the blue thing. Here and push it down. But it still has a blue. We don't know where it is. I'll put it here. Okay? Here. To this here. Now, get ready for this one. Put here. And then this one put here. Okay? Now you answer here. Put it here. Okay? Get this turbo. Put it here. But do not put it like this. The turbo needs to see. You need to see the turbo outside. Do not put the turbo inside here. Now, here you get this one. Put it. Oh no, this white thing first, and then this one. Okay. Get this turbo here. No, it's not right. Here. And then, you see this one? It looks like this one. Here, it looks like this one. It's all the kind of this one. Put it all look like this. But put it in the other way. See, I put it here. Then I put this here. Okay? Now, here, you see the steam. Here, the car needs to steam up. Okay? Put it here. This one has steam up. Look like this one too. Put it here. It has 3 steams and 1 more. Put it here. Now, get this one and a black thing. Here, okay? But it needs to look like this. Here. Here. Okay. Put it here. Push it down. Now with these, not with the car. The car is finished. Here. Now with these. Get this one. Put it here. Okay? This is to fix it. Look like here. It needs to fix this one. Okay? Put it here. Okay? One put here and one put here. Okay? Here. I have finished this one. Here. The car's not finished. Here. We need to put the driver here. Now the car's finished. Here. The people. You choose any people you like. Here. I choose this one because I like. Put here. Okay? Here. Put here. Put it here. Now finished. Now only put the head. And smiling. Put the helmet on. Oh no. Here. Now we can put the helmet. Okay? Okay. Now he's finished. This person. Okay? Here. This is a girl. Okay. Put her hands there. Now get her helmet. Okay? And then we'll put this one out here. And then put her two legs here. Now you see they can walk, walk, walk. Okay? They can move hands and this hand too. They can move hands. And this one you see here. This one. You want to move it? Twist. See? It can turn. Okay? Okay? And turn it back. Okay? That is one people. Now we make the cap. If this car goes to this one, it wins and holds this the cap. Okay? Now, here. Here. Here, okay? Okay. Now the cap is here and we can move the car and all is done. Okay? Goodbye.